everybody, Danny here. Let's head on over to Easel and make some snow magically appear. I'll meet you there. And here we go. Alrighty, now I've got some dark blue and some purple put together, and I've got it really watered down so we can just stripe some snow in, just like this. Okay, we just put some stripes down like that. Okay, now we're just going to come in with water and just let the snow appear, just like that. Now in here we've got a little shadowed area. We're going to make that a little bit darker, like that. Okay, there we go. Just like that. Now, all of a sudden, without doing anything dramatic, we have snow. Got a snow-covered tree. Now, tomorrow what we're going to do is we're going to start working in the tree to give it some life, to make it so that it's got a shadowed area, just by doing this. Okay, we'll just do this in advance. Just a little touch like that gives this tree a shadowed area like that. Isn't that just absolutely super the way that works? And in order to give it a trunk, we just come in and maybe there's two of them. Okay, we put those right there like that, and with a damp brush just come right to the bottom, just like that. Now our tree is ready to go. So tomorrow we're going to start working on the tree, and eventually we'll do a little work back here, but right now we're just dealing with the tree. Be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell icon so you get all notifications. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. That wasn't as bad as you thought it could be. Be with me tomorrow, and we'll take her to the next step. And remember, in the meantime, Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.